Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to perform geocoding and geocoding reverse. So geocoding is converting address to geographic coordinates like latitude and longitude. Meanwhile, reverse geocoding is the opposite. So you are converting geographic coordinate like latitude and longitude to an address. Okay, now let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to install GeoPy. So let's copy this and let's compile the code. As you guys can see, we have successfully installed GeoPy. Next, we are going to import nominatim from GeoPy. So this is the library that we are going to use to perform geocoding. Next, we are going to initialize nominatim geocoder. So down here, I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to name it geolocator. You can name it whatever you want, guys. It is totally up to you. And in this case, we are going to use the nominatim model. So let's copy and paste this. We are going to set the user agent to geocoder. Next, we are going to get the address that will be converted to geographic coordinates. So I'm going to create another variable. I'm going to name it address. You can name it whatever you want. It is totally up to you. And I'm going to pick random address. So I'm going to pick this address, guys. So let's copy and paste this. And let's put it here. Okay, now let's perform the geocoding. Let's specify the locations. In this case, we are going to utilize geolocator.geocode functions. And we are going to put the address inside the parentheses. After that, we are going to check if the location is found. So let's create the conditional statement. If locations. So if the location is found, then we are going to print the address and the geographic coordinate like the latitude and also the longitude. Okay, so let's print the address. Let's copy and paste this variable and put it here. Next, we are also going to print the geographic coordinate. So the first one is latitude. So after performing geocoding, we store the geographic coordinate here in this variable, locations. So now we are going to get the latitude from the locations. So let's copy and paste this. And we are going to add dot latitude. And we are also going to print the longitude. Let's copy and paste locations and put it here. And we are going to add longitude. Next, we are going to throw the exceptions. And we are going to print the error down here. Okay guys, we are done. Now let's compile the code. Okay, so here is the output. So after performing geocoding, we have successfully converted this address to geographic coordinates. So here is the latitude and here is the longitude. Next, we are going to perform geocoding refers. So we are going to convert geographic coordinate like latitude and longitude into address. Firstly, we are going to initialize nominatim geocoder. So you can copy and paste this line. Next, we are going to get the geographic coordinates. So I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to name it latitude. I'm also going to create another variable. I'm going to name it longitude. Okay, so we will need to pick random geographic coordinates. So I'm going to pick these coordinates, guys. So the latitude is 37.4. So let's copy and paste that. And the longitude is negative 122. So let's copy and paste this. You can feel free to pick any geographic coordinate that you want. It's totally up to you. Next, we are going to perform reverse geocoding. Let's specify the locations. In this case, we are going to use geolocator reverse functions. Inside these parentheses, we are going to have the geographic coordinates, like the latitude and longitude. So you can copy and paste these two variables and put them inside the parentheses. Next, we are going to set the exactly one to true. Well, you might be wondering, what is this? Let me explain, guys. So when you are doing reverse geocoding, you are only expecting to get one value, right? That's the reason why you set the exactly one to true. Next, we are going to check if the location is found. So let's create the conditional statement. If locations, so if the location is found, then we are going to print the geographic coordinates like the latitude, longitude, and also the address. Okay, so let's print the latitude and longitude. So I'm going to copy and paste this variable. Next, we are also going to print the longitude. Let's copy and paste this variable and put it here. Next, we are going to print the address. If you remember, when we perform reverse geocoding, we store the address in this variable locations, right? So let's copy and paste this variable and put it here. And we are going to get the address from the locations. So we are going to add dot address. Next, we are going to add the else statement. So else. So if the location is not found, then we are going to print no address found for these coordinates. And let's print the latitude and the longitude. Let's copy and paste this. And let's copy and paste this variable and put it here. And lastly, we are going to throw the exceptions. Exceptions as E. And down here, we are going to print the error. Okay guys, we are done. Now let's compile the code. Okay, so here is the output. So we have successfully performed reverse geocoding. We have converted these geographic coordinates like latitude and longitude to an address. So here is the address, guys. Okay, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.